Good day everyone. I will be presenting my assignment on FA3 NAIB-based test script for the regional dataset. So basically, I made a dataset about the tilapia growth farming data. I built a dataset that combines the official rules of tilapia farming, actual data, and with the real experiences of people who work on the ponds. First, I learned the some methods from this feeding guide provided by the or from the College of Fisheries provided by a colleague. Then I talked to farm technicians uh, and a researcher to hear about their daily challenges and when they have to adapt the rules. Other stories like using whatever pellets are available or dealing with hot afternoons when fish eat less. They also provide actual data from the observation logs. This helped me create a data set of 295 last. This data includes water temperature, dissolved oxygen, particularly the feed specifications like protein content, a pellet size, and pellet hardness. This dataset also includes um, feeding frequency or the management practice like um, time of day, feeding rate percent, okay, natural feeding habit. Okay. For the outcome or the target label, each record is or data is labeled good growth or poor growth. Okay. The label mostly follows the manual's logic, but I added a real life randomness. This means sometimes even if the data looks perfect, the outcome might be poor, and vice versa. Okay. Now that we have this data set, the next step is to put it to use. Okay. Next is I trained the naive base model. For the code, I used the code, okay, provided in the represented in the Blackboard. Okay. I have made some modification to fit my data set. Okay. This is the original code from the Blackboard. Okay. To review, the code contains um, the naive base class and some important functions like the training function, predict function, okay, then the accuracy function. It also includes Gaussian probability density functions and other important parameters. Next, I load the data set, okay, then display it or display the data frame. Then after that, I created a mapping. I converted categorical text to numeric data codes for naive base because the algorithm performs mathematical probability calculations that require numerical inputs. Okay, then display the updated data frame. As you can see, the data for the text data was converted to numerical data. Then after that, I created the target column and labeled the target class from the column growth efficiency, particularly the poor, which is I label it with 0, and the good class, which is labeled to 1. Then I display the data frame again. As you can see, there's a target column with the labeled data, which is 1 for good and 0 for poor. And after that, I created the variable for features and the target variable, which I use the y. For the features, I use the capital X variable. I included on the feature, and for the feature I included all the feature except for the growth efficiency and target, so I drop this column. And for the y target variable, I include the target column only. Then the next code just for displaying for the features and for the target variable. Then next I split the data set, 80% for the train data and 20% for the test data. From the original code, it also includes the function for the computation of accuracy. I'll just add the next code for feature scaling. On this part, I imported standard scalar for normalization, then create a scalar object, then fit the scalar on a training data and transforms it. Then I applied the scaling, or I apply also the scaling on test data. Then after that, I created the instance for the naive Bayes model, then trained the naive Bayes model using the scaled training data. And after training, I perform the prediction and evaluation. As you can see, the naive Bayes model achieve an accuracy of 72.8%.